Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this out of memory error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying video memory error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to go on to app data. After that, you're going to go on to local, and here you're going to find the folder called D3D. So just click on any folder, press D on your keyboard. Here it is. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. And after you're done deleting it, now what you're going to do is you're going to close this menu up. You're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here view advanced system settings. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to go into advanced, and here you're going to click onto settings. You're going to go into advanced again. You're going to click change on here. You're going to untick automatically manage paging file size. You're going to click the drive on which you have Hogwarts Legacy on. So I have it on C. I'm going to click C, and then you're going to click custom size on here. Here you're going to put in how much your RAM is multiplied by 2. So I'm going to open up the calculator. I have 16 GB of RAM. I'm going to multiply 16384 multiply 2. I'm going to put this value in. If you have 8 GB, you're going to put 8 GB here and then multiply it by 2 and so on. Now we're going to put this value in here, 32768. We're going to put this value here again. After that, click set and then click OK again. Click OK here as well. Now you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here graphic settings. You're going to click add desktop app here. You're going to go to your Hogwarts Legacy's directory. I don't have Hogwarts Legacy installed, so I'm just going to use any other application as an example. Now you're going to scroll down. You're going to find Hogwarts Legacy in this list, and then you're going to click here. You're going to click here, and then you're going to click high performance. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that out of video memory error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.